Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Preeti channel. So in today's section, I have come up with another stream based scenario based problem solving. For that we are going to use stream. Okay, so what is the thing is we have a list of order. Okay, inside the order object we have already user ID and list of item. Inside the item we have a product ID, product name, quantity, price. Other than the item we have total all these things. Okay, so our targeted one is what we need to do. We need to find the top two customers for each products. To make you even much clear, here we have electronics. The price is 600. If you apply discount on 10%, we will get 540. Here we have electronics. The price is 1000. If we apply discount, we will get 900. Here we have electronics, which is 900. If we apply discount, we will get 18, right? And here also we have electronics where the price is 800. If you apply discount, we will get 720. Correct? Yeah. So now what we are going to do, here the top for the electronics, what are the top two customers? Here we have a price as 900, 810, 720 and here 540. The top one obviously it's 900 and 810. If you see here, the customer is U2. Same customer trying to again purchase the same product, which is U2. So also this we should not U2 we should not consider we should not return the we should not return the duplicate customer, we should return the distinct customer. So U2 is a top. Next another top one is after 810, which one is present? 720. What is the customer name? U3. That's why for the electronics we have U2 and U3 as a top customer. Similarly for clothing, 800 greater than 500. If you apply discount, it's 720. Clothing 900 greater than 500. If you apply discount, it's 810. After applying discount here, it's 765. Here also we have clothing. After applying discount, it's 630. Let's find out the top two customer. 720, 810, 765. I guess this is a top, right? 810 and 765. But here also U2 both are duplicate. So we need to look for the next top price. Next top price is 720. If you see here, where is it? Yeah, 720. So 810, 720. Which is 810 is U2, 720 is U1. You could see here U2, U1. Electronics U2, U3. Now let's by seeing this itself, first what we need to check, what are the things we need in the output. We need, the first one is product name as a key. Second one, key as a customer name, right? Key as a customer name. Customer name is present at top of the order. So and item also, product name also we require, right? So what we need to do here, before we place the item is present inside the list of items present inside the order. If you see this concept itself, flat map logic will come into our mind. But the problem is here we need the U1 which is present at top of the item. So what we need to do while trying to place the best example I have told, no items, you should consider this as a ingredients and flat map as a masala box. Okay, so before we place an item into the ingredients, that moment itself we need to apply the filter, which filter whether it is greater than 500 and it has a discount and it whether it, and we need to apply the discount. After that we need to return the order from that moment itself. Why we are applying this one? Because we need the order that moment we need the order. So if we apply simply flat map alone, we won't we will miss this order user id. So while trying to place the item into the masala box, that moment itself we have to make sure we are returning this user id. Okay, so now let us solve this together. I have created this customer where I am passing the list of order items which I have created here. Okay, now let me go here and just what I will do. First, what we need to do, order item list dot stream dot first what we need to do, as we discussed, we need to place the items into the masala box. Order dot get items dot stream. While placing that, what we need the customer id. If we are not mapping the customer id, we won't get the customer id, because the customer id is present at the customer id is present at in the order, not inside the item. So while placing itself, we need to apply the stream and we need to apply the map. What we need to do, we need to return here itself. We can check it out. While before we are trying to apply the map itself, we can check whether item dot get price star item dot get quantity greater than 500. If it is greater than 500, then only I am going to apply the map concept. Okay, double, what is the let's name it as total price equal to item dot get price into item dot get quantity. Okay, similarly double final price. Why final price? We need to apply discount, right? So total price into 0.9, 10% discount. After that, what we need to do, we need to return new of processed item. Processed item object, hope you guys in my last section we have used this processed. The same thing we are going to do. We need to return the product name, item, final price, product name, customer. This constructor I am going to use. Okay, product name, item dot get product name, customer name. From where we need to get? From this one we need to get. Order dot get user id comma item comma final price. Okay, yeah, I have applied the flat map, I have applied the filter there, I have applied the map. After this, what we will get? We will get a list of processed items. Once this stream executed successfully, we get a list of processed item. But that is not our expected output. Our expected output should be in this format, where key is a product name and a list of customers. Whenever we are seeing the key value pair concept, and we need to group by product name, right? So what we can do, we can go for collectors dot grouping by. With which one we are going to group? We are going to group by product name comma if we group by product name, what is the response, what is the result we will get? We will get the key as a product name and value as a list of processed item. But that is not our expected output. Our expected output is a key as a product name and a value as a list of strings. So we need to still process the list of processed items which is present as a key in after applying group by concept. Got it? So what we can do, collectors dot collecting and then here I am passing the list of keys, collectors dot to list. Here what we can do, list inside this one. Let's first what logic we need to do, we need to we have done the group by, we need to sort, right? We need to sort the list of processed items, correct? So list dot stream dot, there is something called sorted comparator dot comparing, using which one, using which key we are going to sort the list, processed item dot final price, because we need the top highest final price, right? Highest price after applying a discount. But if you apply sorted, we will get the ascending order, we need the descending one. So what we can do, there is something called dot reversed. But here we have one tricky problem. There may be a case where two products having the same final price, then we need to go for what tie and breaker concept, which we have seen in our last section. How to apply tie and breaker concept? Simple, we need to go for then comparing. If both are having the same final price, using which one we are going to using customer ID. But we want the result in reverse fashion. Whatever I have included will print the result in ascending order. So there is something called comparator dot reverse order. Here also we can apply then comparing, comparator dot reverse order. Okay, so what I have done, basically here I have sorted the entire thing using comparator dot comparing. I will have a, what I will be having, I will have a list of, so sorry, after sorting what we need, sorry, my bad. After sorting what we need, let me bring down this one. Yeah, after sorting what we need, after sorting we need the customer ID, correct? Map of processing item, user ID, processing item user ID, where is it? Okay, so customer ID, right? Yeah, customer ID, customer ID, yeah, dot to list. So after this what we will be having, we will be having list of string, which is top customers, right? But here as per our requirement, we need only top two, correct? So how to get the top two? Simply include if top customers dot size lesser than or equal to 2, simply return this top customers, else it will go to the next block. There only what we need to do, top customers, return top customers dot, you need to iterate, there we need to pick only top 2, right? Dot to list, that's it. I am bringing back here, yeah, that's it. Okay, now we have a top 2 item. Let's run this out and check what is the behavior. Okay, as per our input, I'm going back here, as per our requirement, we should, for this input we should get clothing u1 and u1 comma u2 and electronics as electronics with the value as u2 comma u3. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm trying to run this one. Here you can see what is happening. We are getting u2. So it looks like duplicate customers we are getting. As per our requirement, we should get u2 u1 and electronics u2 u3. Where we have missed, let me check it out. Okay, So here we have processed customer id, but the problem is we have not applied distinct. There is something called distinct. Yeah, now let's check it out. Yeah, now let me go back here. As per our thing, we are getting u2 u1 u2 u3 electronics clothing. So hope this helps us to understand much better, right? Also, yeah, this is the output we have seen. Yeah, hope this help you to understand how the significance of comparator comparing, how to apply then comparing, how to sort the list, how to apply the reverse order, and how to apply use the flat map efficiently, and how to use and where to use group by collectingAndThen. So yeah, if you have any questions, please include in the comment section. I will come up with some other new scenario in the next section. In the next section, I will try to avoid coming up with group by concept, because for the last 2 days I guess we are solving with the same group by concept, but we have solved with some variant, like, right? I will come up with some other functionalities, like how to, there are many concepts we have in these streams. I will come up with some other different scenarios. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to like and subscribe for to watch upcoming videos. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.